So from now on, I will try to just document, record everything that it comes in my hands. So we are going to be listing a lot of models and 3D printing. So in the meantime, I'm going to record everything. So I'm checking all the boxes that I have, and we are going to test. I know there are a lot of engines I have not had a chance to check. This one is Talking Gordon, and it looks like it's working perfectly. Doesn't need anything, maybe just a little bit of cleaning. It's working. Yeah, it's been a long time since the last time I record. But like I say, we are going to start again to record and post. This one's for another department, so they're gonna clean it. I will not do that. Next one we have Rosie. So I gotta check everything, you know. Rosie seems to work. I think the only thing I need to do is put some decals. Yeah, it's working great. Yeah, over the time I remember I fixed a lot. Others just left them unattended. But I'm gonna take care of these engines. I will fix them all. I don't know about this one. I have a full box on my side here. It's not that big, but you know, this one looks clean. I think most of these engines, it's working. I think most of these engines only need some cleaning. Oh, this one is broken, so I need to find. I remember I had some of these. It's broken. Motor is good. I need to find a good Harvey. Yeah, I think I have others laying around somewhere. Making some spoke wheels. Now what I have to do is I need to find Rosie's decals. Sorry guys, I'm no longer selling these decals. Here's what happened. My machine broke down, so this one I'm saying again broke down. But you can find these decals on eBay. They are not cheap. I think they're selling for $7 a piece, plus $1 shipping, or $5 a piece. I think you can check online, and that seller does have a lot of these for sale. You know, on eBay. I remember I used to sell a whole sheet for a variety on different models for $5. Plus shipping wasn't really expensive. But now you can find a single set of decals for $5 or $7 or even $10, I think. Yeah, check the link. I mean, check on eBay, not on my store. So I had to knock down a little bit the lightning because it was overexposed, so you can see the decals. I remember I used to make a lot of videos repairing these models and, you know, installing the decals. Now looks better. The next one, I remember I edited all the videos, cut down, you know, just the important part, but it was taking too long. So we're gonna try another format, which is it's just edit. Let me see. Maybe I'm going to replace, or maybe I'm just gonna leave those cab windows. Yeah, we don't have to change those. Oh, yeah, that one looks much better. Very good. Scratch test. I'm using my fingernails. Yeah, it's really good actually. crash test. So what I did is I coated with a clear coat of it's not spray paint. I think it was Mod Podge. Let me crank up the lightning. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So we have this one ready. I need to find Harvey. Now we have this model Trackmaster Revolutions. So I gotta check every single engine that I'm coming. What happened to this? What? Look at these guys. This one came apart. It's not supposed to. It's not meant to be like this. I think they did not put enough glue to this Edward. Or no glue at all. There's no glue at all. Funny. Anyways, testing. This one works. So I need to find all the tender for this Edward. So we're going to do that, guys, from now on until something else happens. I wonder what's going on with this Talking Henry. Oh, I remember. I modified this. I put a little light on it. Well, let's check. This one I think was done about 3 years ago. I put a light, LED light on the model. So I'm checking all the boxes now. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find a lot of things. It does light up. I never put it for sale. I am going to put it for sale, yes, definitely. Now the light works, huh? Okay, let me turn the lights. Oh, there you can see it. It's a tiny light. Can you see it there? But it's working. So that needs to be cleaned out. Fix the coupling. And I think we are good to see. I have a lot of engines that I had no idea. You know, when I was in the middle of in the process of making some customs, and an idea popped out, so I just stopped with whatever I was doing and left it unattended and continued with the next thing. I don't know about this one. This is a talking. Someone tried to fix it. I found it as it is. I think it was from Plarail. I can see makeshift. For Percy, it talks in Japanese. I don't know what it said, but I wish it could speak in English. So, okay, so you attach it to any Percy, but I mean the model looks good. I mean the design is good. I don't know if to put it for sale with or without the talking function. Yeah, I'm gonna put it for sale. It's a good model, actually. Good design. Too bad that only speak English. I mean, Japanese. But it's working. So I found Hiro. I think I replaced those cab windows decals, doors, windows. It's filthy. It needs a lot of cleaning. Yeah, we fixed this one. We fixed it. I mean, we had a lot of this. Now I need to find is tender, but it's working. see, I need to, let me see what's going on with this motor. These side rods are kicking or making the noise when it's hitting the plastic part right here, but it's working good. I need to continue with the next one.